Hello everyone, welcome to my Subway Surfers gameplay. This is my favorite game of all time. I really love the immersion I get when the police officer is chasing me. Obviously I was doing graffiti before this, and I picked up a magnet and I'm collecting all the coins. This game is really fun, you guys. I don't know if people play Subway Surfers before, but this game is really fun. I'm actually playing on my PS5 right now. This game was free to download. Oh, I got a hoverboard. I guess why that's called Subway Surfers. Oh, I just exploded. Now I have a jetpack and I'm flying. Oh, I'm collecting coins in the sky. This game's so immersive. This was flying to be like happening. Oh, now I have a magnet. Now I just, what the fuck? Okay, now we're back, and now we're gonna get these coins. Oh, there's some Skechers. I love Skechers. Skechers make you jump really high in this game. Now it's not working. There it is. Oh, let me. What?
How old is your brain?
My brain is very good, thank you.
Playing Wordscapes just 10 minutes a day sharpens your mind. And as you get older, it's important to keep your...
Oh.
Think, it's your brain, brilliant. You are smart, haha, wow. You're great job. Brilliant. What's another word? Wow. You're outsmarting the game. No, that's viewer smartness.
I love Wordscapes.
Let's play again.
The game was really fun, but this game's more fun. I love Subway Surfers. I didn't see the train coming. What I did now I'm gonna avoid the train. What that? Are you telling me the train to start? Okay. What? I don't like the color purple. I also don't like this game that much, to be honest. I got a key. The train moved through okay. This is my last run. I'm gonna do really good this time. I don't trust any train. That train's gonna move, isn't it? What? You can't jump over the train! What is this? I could... Yo, I love gambling. Lobster game. I love lobster gambling, bro.